What's up, bandits? This is Jonathan Manus, aka the One Like Bandit, and I'm here for ClearCryptos. We have breaking news. This just went out on the press wire. U.S. Federal Contractor Registration, the largest third-party registration company in the world for SAM registrations, with over 300,000 customers, just signed a partnership with ClearCryptos to bring blockchain to all of their customers. Why is this important? Federal contracting is already putting out RFPs, RFQs, looking for blockchain builders to build the blockchain up for federal contracts. When you are a prime contractor, you have anywhere from 2 to 100 subs underneath you. Blockchain technology is going to allow you the benefit of tracking the contract step by step with each vendor, finding out where they are in the process, and you just severely cutting down on wasteful spending. I'm very excited about this. You know, a lot of years has gone by now where lots of waste is happening in the federal government just by not being able to track everything, keep everything in order. Blockchain technology is going to put a fix to that, and ClearCryptos had the foresight and the thought to go ahead and partner on the business side of things to get things happening. I'm letting you know this is a huge opportunity for both sides, but it's definitely going to bring stability to all the small business contractors out there, everybody that's trying to ensure that they're getting their piece of the pie in federal contracting. And it's also going to bring clarity for the primes. It's just a huge, innovative moment for ClearCryptos and for USFCR together. It's just absolutely outstanding. But please go to clearcryptos.com, take a look at this on the blog page. It's also out on PR Wire, so you can check it out anywhere. Just type it in the Google machine and it'll pop up. But it is a beautiful release, and I want everyone to check it out and know when we say that ClearCryptos is innovating, this is innovation right here. I hope you all have a great day. This is breaking news brought to you by the One Leg Bandit. Love you. The One Leg Bandit's out.